welcome back to Big Saj Builds, where today Baba Yaga is getting a map. We are here at Mr. Boost Killer's dyno. Look, he's got a coupe as well. He doesn't sell me his coupe. Goofy, I want your coupe. Is this why you won't sell it to me?
This is Honda language.
Oh shizzle, this is an NA as well.
This is for Honda people, bro.
Fudging hell. I don't speak the Honda language.
No, you speak the Honda language, but not the NA language.
I speak Boost language. We got Goofy's White Shark on the dyno at the minute, and he's active. Goofy, fair play, bro. You got your own dyno.
Come on, cuz. Have to, man.
We're serious out here. Serious. The man tuning Baba Yaga is gonna be Sabil. It's gonna be Big Ricky. How you doing, Ricky?
Good, man.
He's
good,
charged
good.
up. He's just had his brekkie. He's ready to free up some horses.
Yeah, got to get some fuel in the system, you know?
Yeah. Well, you know, it'll be interesting. See what it does. We got the Goofy strapping the car down to the dyno. The Goofy's active. He'll map your car, put your car on the dyno, and he'll drive home with your car as well. It's alright, you know. It's alright. What's this super secret fuel we got? Here's that fuel blend. You mixed that yourself?
Yeah, fresh.
So we're just gonna do a base run, see what the car was making, what power it was making. Then we're gonna take it from there, get it mapped on the special fuel. Yeah, Goofy's workshop is still a work in progress. He's gonna get there. He's got a dyno in there. Look at him, he's chilling in his office. Work in progress. Don't worry, some serious cars are gonna be mapped here soon. Starting off with the White Shark Killer. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. He's scared. He's shook. Yeah, because I showed him the White Shark. This is Goofy's NA. Did a 10.9 up pod off the trailer. So ain't no joke, you know, this little thing. King Goofy's coming back.
Yeah.
What are you shook in your office for, Goof, bro? You're scared. Baba Yaga's entered the chat. You gone? You hidden?
Oi, coupe for coupe, you know.
Coupe for coupe. Oi, 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 oi. Boost. And NA. Holy moly.
My coupe's looking a bit sad at the moment. It needs a little start up. But it's sleeping
This coupe is sleeping.
because it's, you know what it is? It's took down a couple of big hitters.
Serious big hitters.
Big hitters, yeah.
Okay, then.
People don't like racing. I'm not going to mention no names, but I've put them down. So
Jamming.
that's why the car's sleeping.
Jamming.
Nah, jamming.
Batman.
Jamming. Oh, Pac-Man not a big hitter, man.
Batman, yeah, they're not Pac-Man.
Pac-Man not a big hitter, man. Jamming on the other hand is a big hitter.
Okay, then.
You can't hit him.
Gotta hit the
He's
jammers.
the family is.
It wasn't fully accurate because I changed the throttle body to a 90mm. Now the race fuel's gone in. Now we're ready to map. This is gonna be the fastest car on Goofy's dyno.
Well, we made 700 brake on this dyno.
How much?
700 brake.
I'll make 701. We're joking. Who made 700 brake?
Yeah, that'll be telling.
Oh, was it you? Yeah.
I made 400 brake on this dyno. In an NA. In an NA.
In an NA. You gotta say it one more time.
In an NA.
Exactly. 400 brake NA. That cheeky smile, Goof. 634.2. Okay, then. What you do? What do you reckon, Ricky? 632 at the crank, 634 at the crank.
Yeah, that's good numbers. Considering where we are in boost, everything that sounds about right. Good job, man.
Good job
build.
to you too.
Good build.
Good job to you, Goofy.
We'll
And
see
good
what
job
it does,
to you.
innit?
Oh, we'll
Oh,
see
wait,
on
I
pod,
can't
yeah.
wait.
That's where it all's gonna come together. He's gonna be driving this time.
I'll put the strip right now.
Right now.
Right now.
Right now. Okay then. run was a 606 horsepower, 521 foot-pounds of torque. So the power comes in a little earlier. Torque comes in, oh, it's nice. So we're not aiming for a max horsepower figure. We want something nice and usable. Ideally under 600 would be good. With a beautiful power band. Final run for today, Ricky.
Yeah, the next one will be at the track.
Let's go, baby. Now I know what's going on with my car, baby. That is us done. Baba Yaga has been completely mapped on race fuel. Made 609 brake with 521 newton meters of torque. No, 501 foot-pounds of torque. All thanks to Mr. Goofy himself, you know.
Come on, Dad.
So Goofy's dyno available for hire. How much, Goof? How much if customers want to come?
£150 an hour. If you need a mapper, just call me. I got the mapper there as well.
Active Goof. One love, bro. Thank you very much. And I shall see you on the drag strip where I'm gonna kill you. So Baba Yaga is back home from the dynos the next day. So now we need to drain out the remaining race fuel because we don't want anything to get messed up. It's very corrosive. So maybe clean everything up. Give it a clean, get rid of all the stickies. Give it a wash. And then ready for USC, baby. Let's get it. Jack the car up. I'm gonna disconnect from the flex fuel. Drain all the fuel out, baby. Oh, marvellous. So this is the setup I've gone for. So off the fuel pressure regulator. Got the return coming down and straight into my race truck. Unfortunately, it is a two-man job because I need to hold at an angle. It doesn't really rest at an angle on its own. So we've just got to wait for some hired help. That's it, just drain it, put some 99 in there, just run it. Now let's get some V-power in the jerry can, 2-3 litres, and run it through the system, baby. So we got our 2.5 litres of V-power. So we ran the system dry before. Now let's see if he'll start up with this. If not, we'll put a lot more in. Cue the elevator music. What we're also going to be doing is mounting our new slicks. We've got 13 by 10 and 13 by 9.5 slicks, brand new slicks, so hopefully we can try and make them fit today. A lot of cutting, but we shall see what happens, you know what I'm saying. We're trying to beat AJ 60 foot, that's all we care about. We just want to beat AJ 60 foot, that's all. Titchy, when you're watching this, coming to get you, man. Coming for you. I got nothing to lose. If you lose to me, well, you already have done. If you lose to me, shame on you. If you beat me, oh well, we got all the power now. That's it. Let's see if it starts. Hopefully she starts. Well, is Baba Yaga he or is she? Oh, might need a bit more, you know. What we can do is just drop the car. Once we're satisfied with the injectors being cleaned, change the oil and drain the catch can. So the catch can's been drained. There's nothing really in there. I've drained all the oil. Next stop, put my new filter on. Got my new engine oil. Takes 7 litres, this beast does. May have made a little mess on the floor, but hey ho. Okay then, oil filter time. Let's get it. So I got some new 13 by 9.5s and the 24.5 inch tall. Let's see how badly they fit on here. How much cutting I need to do. I think I'm gonna have to chop quite a lot off to make it fit. So I had the slicks on the floor and they don't sit too bad, you know. Honestly, in terms of the height, they're alright, but however, they do sit so far forwards. I'm just gonna cut my bumper, make a starting cut, lock it side to side and see where it goes from there. But don't look too bad, you know. Come on, Titchy. So just on the first cut, which wasn't too bad, we catch down the bottom a full lot. I'm also just gonna take this down a bit, maybe from about here, see how it goes, you know. Other side, Okay, pretty much the same. It's going to take it down from about here. Just chop it off. These are fitting a lot better than I thought. And there we have it. Baba Yaga is done. 13 by 9.5 are on. They stick out a fair bit. And I only needed to trim from around here all the way down, just so it clears lock to lock. Clears the back, clears the front. On this side, I got a little too carried away with the angle grinder. Made a little mistake here. I just had to take it back, and it still doesn't look that good. Might just get some over fenders now, just put them on. Hopefully it looks a lot better. But for now, that is looking spectacular. Ready to kill Mr. Twitchy. Okay, I'm just going to do one more test, lock to lock, just to see how the back looks. So do we clear on the back? Yes, we do. Completely. That is a-okay. That is a-okay as well. It's looking pretty good. Clear, nice. Just about clears. Literally about a finger gap. Think I'm going to have to take that back, you know, just in case. Better safe than sorry. That is it for Baba Yaga for now. I mean, it's where I want it. Power's there, slicks are there, setup's there. Let's see how I drive at USC. See you in the next one.